Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and reschedule a workout on a ladder. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official ladder application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for ladder, find application and install it. So after installing and opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by, from where you can get started choosing today's workout. But before this, keep in mind, to be able to use ladder, you need to go ahead and have a pro subscription or have the trial that is offered to you once you open up the application for the first time. So once you've gotten that, we can get started choosing our workout. So here in the bottom right corner, you can first choose your team that you want to be a part of and then continue with its workouts. And now let's go and take a look at how to reschedule workout. So basically guys, you're going to perform the workout on a different day by selecting it from your program's history or your team's weekly content, as the app is designed to allow flexibility in when you complete your sessions. So as you can see here, we have the calendar at the top of the screen where you can go and take a look at what dates are today, and you can go and take a look at your previous dates right here that you can go and select from. Then you can go ahead and just select the workout you want to be a part of, and it's going to enable you to reschedule a workout for today's video today or for some other day that you want to be a part of, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.